Hi kids. How are you all? Let's learn today about 2D shapes. Do you know what are 2D shapes? 2D shapes have only two dimensions, X and Y. There are two important parts of 2D shapes: sides, corners. Sides are the straight lines which make a shape. Corners are the places where two sides converge. Now let's learn different 2D shapes. Circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. A circle is a round shape. It is perfectly curved all the way around. Square. A square has four sides and four corners. Its all sides are equal in length. Triangle. It has three sides and three corners. Its sides may vary in length based on their types. Oval. Just like circle, it has no sides and no corners. It is like a stretched circle. Rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four corners. Its opposite sides are equal in length. Rhombus. It has four sides and four corners. Its sides are all the same length. It looks like a tilted square or a diamond shape. Pentagon. Pentagon has five sides and five corners. All sides may or may not be equal. Hexagon. It has six sides and six corners. A honeycomb cell made by bees is shaped like a hexagon. Trapezium. It has four sides and four corners. It has one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Parallelogram. It has four sides and four corners. Its opposite sides are equal in length and always parallel to each other. Semicircle. It has two sides. It has two corners. A semicircle is half of a circle. It has one curved side and one straight side. So kids, we learned different 2D shapes. Now, let's play a quiz. What is the name of this shape? Yes, it's trapezium. How many corners do oval has? The answer is 0. Oval has no corners. What is the name of shape having 6 sides? It's hexagon. Which shape has no sides and corners? The answer is circle. Well done, kids. You played very well. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.